In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on extended hours in Tradingview. If you trade stocks and care about pre-market or after-hours activity, turning on extended hours is a great way to see price action outside the regular session. This helps with spotting gaps, reacting to earnings, and understanding where momentum is building before the bell. First, make sure your chart is on an intraday time frame. Extended hours only display on intraday intervals, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 1 hour. If you are on a daily or weekly chart, the option won't apply, so switch to something intraday before you continue. Now, here's the primary way to enable it. Open your chart settings, then go to the Symbol tab. In that menu, look for the Extended Hours option and check it. Because this is an intraday-only feature, confirming your time frame beforehand saves you from wondering why nothing appears. Once you check that box, you'll see shaded regions for pre-market and post-market sessions depending on the stock and the day. Here is a quicker way too. Look at the bottom right of your chart for the ETH button, which stands for Extended Trading Hours. Clicking that toggles the session shading on or off instantly. If you don't see the button, double-check two things: that you are using an intraday time frame, and that the symbol you are viewing supports extended hours. You can also adjust how these sessions look, so they're easier on your eyes. Go back to Settings, stay in the Symbol tab, and customize the colors and opacity for pre- and post-market sessions. If the shading feels too heavy and makes the candles hard to read, reduce the opacity. Prefer a different color for pre-market versus after hours, you can set that too, which helps you quickly distinguish between them at a glance. Keep in mind that extended hours are primarily available for stocks. Not every asset will display this data. If you turn on the setting and nothing changes, the instrument you are viewing may not provide extended trading sessions. Switching to a major stock ticker is a good way to confirm that the feature is working. To recap, use an intraday time frame, enable extended hours through Settings under the Symbol tab, or toggle it with the ETH button for a fast switch. Then fine-tune the colors and opacity to match your chart style. With this setup, you'll get a clearer picture of the market before and after the regular session, helping you stay ahead of key moves.